Yahoo boy. Intense. Boy rough. All I want to go mash up on a erratic career through iShawna. Why want to make iShawna turn up against cartel for against cartel now? And then when time on the career flap on the sound I get fight.
See your brother the money.
Sure money, yeah.
Sure money, hold your glass. Hold the glass man. That's rich. Pour out, go get a cheers. Come on, champagne tears. Cheers. Yeah, I mean, that is great. That is great. Never forget. There was an amazing day. Auntie Killer, Buju Banta, mavado, Vybz Kartel, and DJ Khalid. Right here in Miami, we just create history.
Nah, blame Khalid for nothing. Khalid is doing the right thing. He might do what suit him and it'll work. But the hypocrisy is why them no want do it. You know much bad man, you know much done, bad man, promoter, politician, friend, brother, cousin, sister try for this happen. You know much years people are trying to make everybody come together, so couldn't happen. So is it truly genuine or is it opportunity based? Is it brotherly love or is it love for opportunity and love for money?
Once about AJ back in the building with another episode, and don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. Again, tell a friend to tell a friend, watch the video. Anyways, we can see we are Intense are rolling an algorithm. A lot of people are wonder what happened to Intense from the other day, because from Intense did I follow with the iShawna camp, and them say iShawna did make Intense this Vybz Kartel, which a lot of us didn't even pay that no mind. So we have Intense, I say the music industry in Jamaica fighting. Well, we have one of the Gaza fans and promote and make Intense know and remember when him did this Vybz Kartel for iShawna. Let's take a listen.
Yahoo boy. Intense. Boy rough. All I want to go mash up on a erratic career through iShawna. Why want to make iShawna turn up against cartel for against cartel now? And then when time on the career flap on the sound I get fight. When time a program on the work on the brother. Intense. Your downfall. Because I love chatting, let me tell you now. I love to talk. People them love when I talk to us, and I just continue to talk. Intense. Your career all fell off and drop, broke, mash up through iShawna. Through iShawna. Uno artists we used to say fourth generation. How would the blood clot do? Uno say uno not rebel. Say iShawna mash up on a career. I still don't want to call a certain name now, but Intense, you must come about. When the man run the good at doing things like that down the place and behind the bars, you, I can remember when you were the sub-cartel wicked. Yeah, you say the man run this back, you know say the man run this been a back it. All about then, you know say been a back it. Plus some of 100 things where you say, why you see say one time when you go against cartel, you see that say gully and say fourth generation some boy when they like cartel, you always believe in the career going to expand. It going to decline. And that reach a Intense. Your career decline, youth. And dancer now go juice back. We can't tell you. We're funny, you know. We as the consumers, the music listeners, we're funny. You got an aircraft like iShawna, because I come like a teacher and an inspiration. I mean, I know. I want justice of the peace, we say. You see it. iShawna, government is the only sensible artist who do him thing and branch off. And I follow back at Dona, because Dona is nobody good. Dona is a very bad man youth. I'm gonna stop saying it. Intense is iShawna mash my career. And him cause if he not have a career right now. So sad to say, but that's just the truth. And when I use it back.
nation, we can see where Gaza man has about Intense by end of the day, because remember by the time then when Intense did go out with a bag of things, and then this Vybz cartel, and we don't really hear much from him anymore. So nation, I don't tell me what you think. When you think Intense fall off, or you think he might take a break as your Gaza man say like iShawna, he might take it plain. You see me? Don't tell me what you think in the comment box down below. Nation, now we can see where Mavado, Vybz Kartel, Bounty Killer and Buju Banton link up with DJ Khaled. Well, before, a lot of people are speculating saying there's an album coming with DJ Khaled and there's a giant song with the Jamaican dancer artist them, which gonna be Vybz Kartel, Buju Banton and Mavado, and also Bounty Killer. Yes, me I say it's a good look and a good move for dancehall culture, and from me realizing from the other day Vybz Kartel come out of jail, the culture with the music shift to a different level, you see me I say, and me can see where in I picture them Mavado doesn't really look so happy. Maybe him not happy for the link up because him not really now get the spotlight as a Vybz Kartel I get, but we can see where Foota hype I say the link up there not really look genuine, especially with Mavado, and him know the state of Mavado and Vybz Kartel, because the government of Jamaica try to make them squash whatever beef them did going on within back in 2009, 2008, and it didn't work. So how DJ Khaled comes in all of a sudden, you know what I mean? We can see where DJ Khaled comes in all of a sudden musically, you know what I mean? Might need a giant collab.
Respect to Somali. All the time. Father, all the time. Miami. Yeah. Good? Yeah, man. All the time. Yo, man. Yeah, man. All the time. Yeah, man. Oh, man. Yeah, man. School, man. Yeah. Yeah, born for this, man. Remember sir, from your 13 there on him.
Video more, I don't want a picture in the complex where them a deal with iShawna. Where you so pretty iShawna. Where you so sexy iShawna.
She just talk about what me should be talking about. Alright, let me ask you a question. Why you like when me talk about people situation when me not involved in? Why? And then on the same one, I go cuss me and say me bad mind and me too enough and it now have nothing to do. Why do you want me talk about video? I'm in a video shoot, me not involved in a video. Why do you want me talk about it? Me rate all of them, but them not rate me, so why do you want me talk about them? Of course, you know me and Mavado not talking, me and Killer not talking, me and Kartel not talking, me and Khaled not talking. Me and Buju not a problem. See? I one of the greatest link up in a dancehall history. See? Khaled in a bag and him a do what him a do. From me talk about the good side, me gotta talk about the bad side. The good side is the reunion, is the embracing each other and everything. But the bad side about it is the hypocrisy. It's a great thing for the union. But you know how would I accept that union are better? You see, if Bounty Killer did say, yo, Vado link up, Kartel link up, Buju link up, everybody feel good, and it happen, would I feel way more proud. You see, Vybz Kartel, it's a John O star. You know, so I come from jail and, yo, no bad vibes. Killer, Vado, Buju, and it work, would I proud. Nah, blame Khaled for nothing. Khaled is doing the right thing. He might do what suit him and it'll work. But the hypocrisy is, why them no want do it? You know much bad man, you know much done, bad man, promoter, politician, friend, brother, cousin, sister try for this happen. You know much years people are trying to make everybody come together, so couldn't happen. So is it truly genuine? or is it opportunity based? Is it brotherly love, or is it love for opportunity and love for money? Is it because of what DJ Khaled brings? Is it because of the power of DJ Khaled's pen when him sign a signature? Is it because we know say if we do that song for Khaled, it's sure to sell 1 million copy? Is that why? Is it because Khaled can pick up the phone and call Jay-Z and we in contact with Jay-Z, or Khaled can pick up the phone and call Rihanna and we in connection with Rihanna, or Khaled can just pick up the phone and talk to Russell Simmons? Is it because of that? Or is it because we love dancehall? Or is it because we truly love each other? People, when me talk, me I go talk the reality. I know 1 done or 2 done or 3 done or 4 done or politician, police. It can't happen. No matter who try for the link happen, it can't happen. Somebody say if me did that as an original man, if the views would have been the same. My views are, if you are going to unite to the culture, it must be natural. Me must really feel like me want to make bygones be bygones because me see you as a human being. It not be because Jano, this is a big look and we have to sell a platinum with that song because I Khaled that put it out. Don't get me wrong, me love it. But me have to question it. And then at this time I got hate me for. At this time I got hate me for. Cause me just be honest. I mean, if they want to talk about it, but fuck it. Me already the Tony Montana of dancehall. I mean, I Scarface a dancehall. Is it genuine? Is it, that is the real question. Is it genuine? Cause from over here so when me I look, and I look in as a spectator, I cannot say if it's genuine. Cause 1 million people try to it happen. You can't even get them on the same rhythm. You can't even get them on a song. Jamaican producer will really put some of them artists up on them up. Can't get them on a collaboration. Can't get them in a one studio together. So that is my take. It's a great look, and the union is great because we have 3 elements and one of the greatest team ever assembled in music. You have Bounty Killer, Vybz Kartel and Mavado. That is huge. That is huge. Then you have Gargamel, which is a stalwart where even Bounty Killer look up to.
Big vibes with the whirl in my hand. Top striker, kick past lines, man. When we done, grab a thick girl nightstand. Grab a room, now she's my nightstand. 3 condom fish right pan the night long. She could have died from me dick.
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch. Big up everybody we are share it. As me I say, me appreciate you all. You know what I mean. Until next time, guys, we out.